Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, I'm going to show you how to make basic muffin recipe. This recipe, guys, is so flavorful, so versatile. You can create as many versions of muffins with it, and it's always a bomb. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's start with the ingredients. You are going to need all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, eggs, sour cream, milk, vanilla extract, and melted butter. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Then whisk well and set aside. Next, whisk together sour cream, eggs, and vanilla extract until smooth. That looks good. Now we're gonna create a well in the middle of the flour. Gently add the egg mixture and milk into the flour mixture. Using a whisk, stir all the ingredients until well combined. Add melted butter and whisk everything together until just incorporated. This recipe yields 12 muffins or 6 jumbo muffins. So today, guys, I'm going to be using 6-cup jumbo muffin pan, but you are more than welcome to use 12-cup standard muffin pan. Next, we are going to spoon the batter evenly into 6-cup jumbo muffin pan. And if you are using a 12 standard muffin pan, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Next, tap the pan gently to get off the air bubbles, just like so, guys. Now we're gonna pop this into the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove the muffins and place them onto a cooling rack. There you have it, guys. Use this master muffin recipe to make any muffin you love. If you want me to make a variation of this muffin recipe, guys, leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.